Cristina Tiao, and I will be discussing fire. So, fire is a process siya which is nagkakos ng changes of substance sa isang material at doon nagkakaroon ng exothermic reaction. Exothermic reaction ay process wherein nag-release ng energy usually galing sa heat and light. And once na nag-release yung type of energy na yon, doon papasok ang exothermic reaction. Fire is hot because of thermal energy, which is heat. Is released when chemical bonds are broken and formed during combustion. Combustion ay nag-turn into fuel tapos oxygen into carbon dioxide and water. Both light and heat are released as energy. Apoy ay may mabuti at masamang epekto sa tao, hayop at kalikasan. At mas mabuting malaman natin ang kahalagahan ng ibig sabihin ng apoy. Pati ang maitutulong ng apoy kung alam natin kung para saan ito upang mabalansin natin ang paggamit ng apoy. Mas lumalaki ang apoy at mas nakakatulong ito dahil lumalaki ang ecological system. Halimbawa na lang nito ay paggawa ng alahas. Ritual naman ng pag-aapoy ay mas ginagawa ito ng agricultural o tinatawag na agriculture process na iligal na kagaya na lang sa pagputol ng puno, sa pagsunog ng bangkay. At ang apoy ay kailangan din natin sa araw-araw. Ito rin ay panggamit natin sa sandata o panglaban sa iba't ibang mga sitwasyon. Meron din nito ang mga ritual, hindi lang sa Pilipinas kundi sa iba't ibang mundo. Ang paggamit ng apoy ay hindi alam kung saan ito nagmula. Sa teoryang sinasabi nila ay galing daw ito sa kidlat. Ibang epekto nito ng apoy ay ang pagsusunog ng halaman o puno na nagiging resulta ng pagkabuo o pagtaas ng lupa o tubig at ang pagpupuntong na ng Umilipas ang panahon, ang positibong epekto ng apoy ay ang pag-uwi, paggatong at sakalan. Ito ay mas nakakatulong ngayon sa malakihang pagluluto ng mga tao at ito rin ay nakakatulong sa ating kita. Halimbawa na lang, kung taglamig, kailangan natin ng mainit o apoy na para siyang nagwawarm sa ating katawan. And I am Maria Ana Cristina Tiao, FSM BIP 3B reporting.
Good day, my name is Marie-Claire Sioko and I will discuss to you about classification of fire. First, Class A fire. Class A fire is a solid materials combustible like wood, clothes, paper, plastic, and rubber. Then, Class B fire is a flammable liquid such as gasoline, alcohol, oil, and grease. The next, Class C fire. Class C fire is a flammable gases. This can include methane and propane found in gas canister used for camping stove and gas barbecue. The natural gases used stove or heating system are also flammable. These fires tend to occur when the leaks are present or flames have accidentally got too close where the gas are sorted. The last classification of fire, Class D fire. Class D fire is characterized by the presence of burning metals. Only certain metals are flammable, and example of combustible metal include sodium, potassium, and calcium. With the most common Class D fire involve magnesium and titanium. It's important to us to know the classification of fire, to know how to prevent the fire from spreading. So that we have classification of fire. We have also different types of extinguisher for different classes of fire. The first type of extinguisher is water extinguisher. Water extinguisher is used for Class A fire, which is solid combustible materials, and it removes heat and extinguishes the fire. Water extinguisher must not be used on fire involving live electrical equipment because it can cause electrocution. And also, must not be used on metal fires. Next, carbon dioxide extinguisher. Carbon dioxide extinguisher mainly used for Class B and Class C, which is flammable gases and flammable liquid. And it's not suitable for fire involving metal, but it can be used for electrical or electronic equipment. Next, AFF foam type extinguisher. This extinguishing agent is aqueous film forming concentrate in water which forms air foams when discharged through an aspirating nozzle. It develops floating aqueous film of solution under the foam on fuel surface and cool the burning surface. AFF extinguisher must not be used on electrical and metal fires. Next, dry chemical powder extinguisher or DCP extinguisher. DCP extinguisher puts out the fire by coating fuel surface with chemical powder. And it separates the fuel from the oxygen in the air and prevent the vapor formation. The powder also interrupts the chemical chain reaction of fire. The disadvantage is that it leaves residue, particularly making it difficult to clean up in case of sensitive equipment. And last, special dry powder extinguisher. Special extinguishing agents are used for extinguishing metallic fires. Dry powder extinguish the fire by forming crust on metal surface, excluding air and absorb heat from the metal surface. And that's all the different types of extinguisher.
Successful use of fire extinguisher depends on the following condition. Must be easily accessible and in good working order. Dapat nakalagay siya sa accessible places. Para in case of emergency, magagamit din. Siyempre, in good condition, yung fire extinguisher must be the right type for fire. There are a lot of fire that be the right type for fire. Marami kasing klase ng fire. Meron ding iba't ibang klase ng fire extinguisher. Dapat kailangan angkop sila. The fire must be discovered in its incipient stage for the extinguisher to be effective. So, kailangan madi-discover agad-agad yung fire. Para ginagamit lang kasi yung fire extinguisher in case of emergency, yung sa mga maliliit pa lang na. There are a lot of fire extinguisher. Isa na dito yung operating foam type extinguisher. Ginagamit siya sa A and B type of fire. So, for example na dito yung diesel and petroleum gas. So, para i-operate yung foam type extinguisher, first you need to pull or remove the locking pin. Para magamit yung fire extinguisher, kailangan mo natanggalin yung locking pin. Next, aim the nozzle at the base of the fire. Siyempre, tutok mo yung pinaka-hose niya sa fire, sa base ng fire. Press the lever down. So, ipapress mo na yung pinaka-hawakan niya para lumabas yung pampatay ng apoy. Next, start the edge of the fire, sweep the nozzle from side to side, advancing again. So, igaganon mo na siya para maapula na yung apoy. Operating in CO2 extinguisher. Suitable for Class B type of fires. For example, solvent, petroleum, and oil. In operating a CO2 extinguisher, remove the locking pin, aim the horn at the base of the fire, open the valve by turning it anti-clockwise, sweep the horn from side to side, gradually advancing. Extinguisher operation. This is the standard type of extinguisher. Ginagamit siya sa mga establishment kasi class A and B type siya na fire. So, pull or remove the locking clip, aim the nozzle at the base of the fire, press the knob down, starting from the edge of the fire, sweep the nozzle from side to side, advancing. So, kung makikita nyo po, lahat po ng operation ng extinguisher sa kahit anong type siya ng extinguisher at pare-parehas lang ng operation. Magkakaiba lang siya ng fire types na ginagamit or kung saan siya ginagamit.
Fire.